High in the mountains, an ancient temple stood, untouched by time, its stone walls breathing stillness. At its heart, a massive bronze bell hung cold, silent, forgotten. It looked harmless, but silence doesn't. A small sparrow discovered the bell's hollow curve. It felt shaded, protected, a blessing rather than a warning. Slowly, she built her nest. Days passed. The bell never moved, convincing her this place. Morning after morning, life followed a gentle rhythm. She sang softly, and peace began to feel predictable. Then one afternoon, something shifted. A faint vibration passed through the bell. She paused, confused, but calm returned. Far below, monks gathered beneath the bell, their voices low, while change formed beyond her sight. Someone whispered the bell once called souls, and it was time again. Sleeping things awakened suddenly. Above, the sparrow rested, trusting tomorrow would repeat today, unaware that belief was about to break. A wooden beam lifted below. The bell swayed. The sparrow froze, feeling fear even before the sound arrived. The first strike rang through her body. She didn't move. Shock always comes before loss. The second strike shattered everything. Twigs snapped, feathers flew. Years of safety vanished in seconds. Without thinking, she burst into the air. The temple spun beneath her as survival replaced every other thought. Hours later, exhaustion caught her. Her wings burned, her body trembled, and she collapsed onto a lonely branch. As night fell, cold returned. She stared into the darkness, whispering she had nowhere left to go. The next day, she barely flew. Her vision blurred, and a thought crept in that maybe this was the end. But something inside resisted. Not hope, just instinct. One more flight. Survival whispered softly. Soon, trees opened into light. Green surrounded her. She hovered, afraid this might be another illusion. Carefully, she landed, touched the leaves, took one sip of water. It was real. She didn't celebrate, she observed. This place felt honest and demanding. Safety here would require effort. So she began again, slower this time, choosing stronger branches and testing each one. The new nest took shape, wider and firmer. When the wind passed through, it held steady. Watching the open sky, she finally understood. The bell hadn't hated her, it had pushed her. What she once called destruction was actually redirection. Loss, she realized, can have direction. Days later, from a distance, the temple bell rang again. She heard it, but she didn't flinch. Somewhere inside, she knew others would face bells too. Not everyone flies immediately. But falling doesn't always mean failing. Sometimes it simply means being moved. The bell never explained itself, and neither does life. Understanding often comes later. When your world breaks, pause, but don't stay. Fly wounded if you must. Build again when you can. Comfort